All right, guys, I found some incredible deals on some homes out here in Eagle Mountain, Utah. Behind me is the Snowmass floor plan. This is one of the most popular floor plans. It's about 2,650 finished square feet. This house has been reduced by over $50,000, so it's now priced below $580,000. This house will sell fast, guaranteed. So if you want to see this house, give me a call. Let's come out and see it. So like I said, this is one of the most popular plans. You can see the front landscaping is in. It's got fencing there. Great looking house. A little porch here as well. And it's got this cool, super tall front door. Okay. So it's a little dirty. Just means it hasn't had its final cleaning yet, but you've got an office here at the front. You know, all these big windows here. You've got the laminate flooring throughout this whole main area, which is great. You've got a bathroom with a window in it, right back here. And you got your coat closet right here as well. And then this is what people like about this floor plan. It is so open. Just big open space here. Looks back to the dining room over there, and then this beautiful kitchen. We gotta get a close up of that. Let's first pan through here though. So this gives you a large family area. It's up in this back corner here. So you can see how much space is here. Then you've got a dining area right back here. This is great because it's out of the way of everything else. You can see it's vaulted there. And you've got this massive, look at this, massive sliding glass door back here. Stepping out of the backyard, you know what you're gonna notice? Your neighbors behind you have already put up a fence. And so the ones on the side. So you have very little fencing installed here. Okay, let's get a better look at this kitchen. First of all, look at that island. It is massive. That is a massive island. Got a huge pantry back here. So I'll show you everything. The 42-inch upper cabinets that are white here. Actually, I don't know, what do you guys think of that? Gold? Place the refrigerator. And you could do a mudroom back in this area here. And then you'll notice the garage has a little bump outs there. So it makes it really wide. This is a much wider garage than almost any other builder is gonna give you. Then from here, we're just gonna pan, give you a feel for the whole space from the kitchen. Okay, let's take a look upstairs. Okay, so when you hit the top of the stairs here, you can see it's a little open space here, but then you have this massive loft back here. That's great space there. Huge window over the stairs, which is great. You have a laundry room right back through here. Nice big laundry room as well. Then across the hall, you have bedroom number 1. Yeah, we'll step in here really quick, give you guys a feel for the space, and then peek in and see what kind of closet you're gonna get. So you can see there's hanging space and shelf space. That's the master in front of us, but we'll check that out last. You have a bathroom right here, great looking bathroom, extra countertop space there. And then once again, the separation between the tub and toilet area and the sink, so people can be getting ready in the morning all at the same time. Once again, you got a nice sized window there, and we already know what the closet's gonna look like, so we're gonna skip that. This is bedroom number 3. It's got that cool window up there. And we already know what that closet looks like. Okay, so you notice all the windows everywhere. Tons of windows in this space. Great master bedroom. This is 4 bedrooms all upstairs. Let's go check out that bathroom. I have a feeling you're going to like this. Okay, so it does have some extra space right here. You got the window. If I pan across, you can see double sinks, nice wide countertop there. You got a shower in this location here. Your toilet back through there, and you got this nice size master closet. And let's just be honest, if this isn't big enough, then you have too many clothes. Okay, all right, let's go check out the basement really quick. Oh, before we step into the basement, I should give you a bird's eye view of all this space here, just to show you how open it is. This is probably the best angle for you to feel how much size is here and how huge that island is. That island is massive. Okay, so back towards the front door, but we're gonna go down here. So as we reach the bottom of the stairs here, we're gonna look left first. You have storage under the stairs, and then you're gonna have space for a bedroom or a fitness room or an office. Whatever you wanna do with that, that's actually a huge space. Now over here, you can see tons of space for a family room. You got set up for a bathroom right there, which means you could put another bedroom or a kitchen would be perfect right here. If you wanted to use this as a rental property, you can put another bedroom back there. But look at this, it has a walkout basement, and this is huge, guys, because you can make money or just have a spot for your parents or your kids to stay, depending on the stage of life you're in. And you got the stairs going up here, so they have their own separate entrance, as well as, let's go look at it real quick. See, it has its own gate there as well as a little rock path. I don't know if you can see it from here, but from the front of the house, you can see it. So it's gonna have its own entrance for a family member, or so you can make some money. So if you're hoping to have the extra income from a renter, Eagle Mountain City is very friendly for that. So you don't have to worry about that. You could totally rent this place out. So I just wanted to give you a better look at the little trail they put back through here that leads to the door if you want to put a rental back there. Okay, so coming back in. Yeah, the fact that they put the bathroom plumbing right there would make this really easy to turn this into a kitchen area. And you can see back through here, they've got a tankless water heater and your furnace. So this is a great space. Would make a great rental property or a separate living space for a family member. All right, so if you have questions or you'd like to tour this home or you want to put an offer on this home, give me a call. I can get everything set up for you. I can meet you out here anytime. So don't hesitate to reach out to me. I should also mention that the builder has several homes that are for sale right now, quick move-in homes. So you can get a home quick and get these awesome incentives. I'm gonna put a list of the current homes below for you so you know which houses are available and how much they're gonna cost and the incentive. Now in the next video, I'll continue with a list of must-ask questions to help you find the builder that aligns most closely with the type of home that you're envisioning. If you'd like an in-depth look at the home build process, watch how a home is built start to finish. If you're looking to buy, sell, or build a home here in Utah, I get contacted all the time. Please feel free to call or text me with your questions. I would love to hear from you. If you have a friend or a family member looking to build a home, you can easily text this video to them. And please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Remember, you can find me on Instagram at Ty the Real Estate Guy. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below. It'll make you feel good.